Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel of finance. You already know it's your boy, let's say the EGO. So, guys, today it's that day. We have NFP right today, and obviously, I just want to break the market down for you so you can be able to see how I'm looking to trade NFP today. So, currently, I'm looking at gold, guys. I'm just gonna trade pairs of which I know people like to trade, right? So, obviously, I'm just gonna focus on gold, NAS100, and US30, right? So, looking at gold from the daily time frame, guys, you can see like price is literally at its highest point, right? But then what I want us to focus on, guys, is what happened the previous day. If you notice, guys, we have a reversal candlestick here, of which we call an inside bar candlestick. If you watch my previous video before this one, guys, you will be able to see what an inside bar candlestick is, right? Can see here we have a nice inside bar candlestick, and price is currently at its highest, guys. Like, this is the highest gold has ever been, right? So obviously, seeing this candlestick, I wouldn't say I'm too confident that price will drop, but there is a possibility that price might actually just, retrace back at least further until this level right over here, right, of which it broke but never retested. So looking at this like from the daily time frame, guys, this is what I was able to see on gold. So let me just jump onto the 4-hour time frame so we can be able to see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. So if you can notice, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, price is obviously trying to create some sort of a structure, because you can see it's giving us higher highs here, and then higher low, then obviously higher high, then higher low, then obviously this is our highest high. And now can see we wouldn't say this is a higher low because it reached here, meaning that there's some sort of a breakout somewhere around here. So we'll just try to connect our trend lines, but then the structure is too small from the 4-hour time frame. So let me jump onto the 1-hour time frame so we can be able to see. Yes, lovely, just like that. So price reversed because you can see on the 1-hour time frame we have some sort of a double top pattern here, of which um push the market further to the downside. So now looking at gold from the 1-hour time frame, we can be able to see that we had some sort of a structure here, right, of which price broke, but then you can see now it's messing everything up. So I'm just gonna adjust it to here. Just gonna adjust it to here. You can see price was moving within an uptrend. For those who like to use parallel, I don't even know what they call it, but then yeah, you see we had some sort of an uptrend structure, and now price broke above, retested, and we actually have a nice dodgy reversal candlestick here, right? Well, a dodgy is not a reversal candlestick, it's just an indecisive candlestick. We'll have to wait for the current candlestick to close so we can confirm our direction. But yeah, looking at this, guys, this is a nice breakout and retest setup, and obviously now we're just waiting for price to gain momentum towards the downside. And yeah, we'll be looking good to obviously go short on gold, guys, because it is a nice sell setup. You can see obviously having our TP right over there, right? So yeah, man, this is how I'm looking at gold, man. And yeah, I do anticipate that gold will sell, obviously, if we get that momentum, because you can see here we have this bullish candlestick, of which was heavy. So now we're just waiting for price to like give us that confirmation of momentum to go to the downside before we actually take advantage of that setup, right? So let me look at NAS100 right now so we can be able to see what's going on NAS100. So looking at NAS100 from the daily time frame, guys, you can see that price here reached its highest point, and obviously came back and gave us some sort of a double top or multiple touches on this resistance level, and just failed to move above. And look at what happened yesterday. We had this previous candlestick, of which you guys, like, it gained bearish momentum. Like, bearish momentum kicked in from the daily time frame, right? Like, bearish momentum kicked in. This candlestick confirms momentum for us. And if we can see properly, I'd say that we have some sort of a structure here. Let me just try to connect trend lines. Yes, I'd say we have some sort of a structure here. You can see like price has been trending up, right? Price has been moving towards the upside. Like literally, guys, price has been moving towards the upside. And you can see for those who like putting this other trend line, I don't usually put it, but then yeah, for the sake of the video, price has been moving within an uptrend because you can see it's been giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows, and it broke with this candlestick, right? So obviously now price might attempt to just like retest, like there is a level here. You can see here we have a resistance level of which price rejected from and confirmed with this bullish candlestick before it broke, right? So price might just attempt to move towards that level. Let me just go on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, it seems like we have to adjust our thingy. Let me just start my trend line here to the nearest points and remove this one just to keep everything clean. So if obviously I just adjust to the nearest points, I'd be able to see that, okay, on NAS100, guys, we do have this structure, right? This is a structure, guys. Like you can see here, we had multiple touches on the supporting trend line, and obviously price broke below, and now we have this resistance level of which was supported at first, and now it's kind of like resisting, right? And if you can quite look at it properly, guys, like this level goes way back. It goes way back, right? Goes way back. If you can see here, the resisted supported, then here faked out a bit, and then even here it's resisted, supported, resisted, resisted, supported, resisted, supported. And now obviously we're just hoping that price might actually just give us further pushes to the level. And obviously once we get all our confirmations and stuff like that, we might actually look to go to the downside with the setup, but it is a nice sell setup for NFP. We just have to wait for like confirmations and stuff like that, but it is looking good for like sells. So yeah, man, this is my take on NAS100. Let me just go on the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1-hour time frame, it's more or less the same thing because you can see here we had this nice impulse and now price is just, retracing, guys, and you can see the momentum towards the upside. It's too low, right? So this tells us that price doesn't have enough strength to push to the upside. Instead, it might actually just give us those bearish momentum and continue with this heavy momentum, right? So yeah, man, this is my take on S100 for NFP. Let's jump on to US30 so we can be able to see what what it is that is happening on US30. So US30 is more or less the same as NAS100. Hence, you can see we had this double top formation here, price rejected here, came again and resisted again. And the special part about it is that it gave us a neckline here of which it broke, and yesterday it was retesting, and this is why USD heavily went down because it retested this neckline and rejected, right? So this doesn't matter anymore. Let's focus on current structure and see what's happening. So on current structure, you can see here we had some sort of an uptrend structure because price has been giving us higher highs and higher lows, right? So if I just try to connect trend lines, we can be able to see nice, just like that, man. Too clean, too clean, too clean. So obviously now price might actually be retesting this level right over here. You can see we have some sort of a level here from the daily time frame already. We have some sort of a level here, and price might actually just be retesting on this level because you can see broke the trend line, also broke this previous higher low, right? So obviously seeing this just from the daily time frame, guys, I am quite confident that price might actually just give us those sellers. But then let's go to the 4-hour time frame to just further confirm how price might actually just move and give us those movements. Let me see if I can further push this resistance level to the let's see. Yeah, man, even if we push it like this, we can see that it's been respected, but then giving us fake outs, a lot of fake outs, right? You can see here it resisted, even here it resisted, even though it gave us fake outs, supported here, yeah, resisted or a fake out, supported, you see, like, yeah, but then yeah, this is the most significant level we can find, right? So obviously just waiting for price to obviously um reject and see how it reacts on this level, right? But then it is looking good for sales. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It is looking good for sales. Let's just adjust our trend line to the nearest structure, right? Let's just adjust it to here. Yes, just like that, man. You see, this is too clean now. So yeah, man, this just gonna wait and see how it reacts. Obviously, we can't wait for it from the 4 hour time frame, so we just have to wait for like candlestick confirmations on the 1 hour time frame. And obviously, once we get that, we will be looking good to go short with US30, right? So yeah, man, this is my take for NFP. I hope all of you guys just, get to kill the markets for NFP and stuff like that. And yeah, man, just hope you find these setups useful and they will help you a lot today, and you'll just be able to like make money out of these setups. But then obviously you just have to wait for like confirmations. And remember, guys, also do your own analysis just to confirm. You can't just enter trade based off what I'm saying right now, right? So just confirm from your side and just, yeah. Otherwise, man, just let me know what you think about these setups. Tell me what you think NFP will do in the comment section. Just let me know. And yeah, man, don't forget to like this video if obviously you enjoyed this video. And yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.